What's up, guys? And we are approaching the key level, this $28,000 level, after we have rejected from $30,000. So yesterday, you might have seen loads of stuff on social media going crazy, telling you guys that the bottom's in, this is the bounce of the century because of Tether. But as you guys already know, that is not the case, right? We are going to range and basically go sideways up until BTC halving. So the aim of the game right now is to make as much money as physically possible to dollar cost average into the market. And if you look at the weekly here, you'll see that we rejected this level, and we can confirm this as a true rejection now. And we are coming down, and we pretty much played this perfectly, coming from the cloud section of the Ichimoku. However, there is some positive news. There is some positive news in my opinion, and that is the fact that we get closer and closer to this halving, which means that we should start to see some more positive momentum. I do think that the bottom is in terms of the lowest that the price could possibly get, but I'm well positioned in both areas, and so should you. In my opinion, the cloud right now looks like it's about to cross. If you look here, you look very closely, this green cloud is 2 moving averages. And when it crosses and goes red, throughout history, we have seen major volatility. However, because we are coming out of a long downtrend, like we're coming out of about a year, maybe a year and a half of downtrend from the whole of 2022. And as soon as we went into 2023, we've seen this bullish run. Okay, we should see some choppy maneuvers, some choppy movements, which gives us 2 amazing options. It gives us 1, amazing price targets and places to buy. And number 2, it gives us the most important thing, which is what we need, which is time. It gives us more time to buy more crypto. So in the short term, trade-wise, I'm looking for a long from this yellow line here, right? From this yellow line here. And if you guys ever want to know what the names is, if you just double click it, you'll see it's called the Keynesian. And if we bounce off the Keynesian, that will be a bullish thing. It will also just about keep this cloud alive. However, if we close below the Keynesian, so let's say we go down, we close a daily candle underneath here, then this will be a short time, because what will happen is the cloud will go red, okay? Will be underneath the Keynesian, and then we will be looking for a short down to the next trading level, which is what you can see with some basic support and resistance, which will be 24,800, about 25,000. And the profit that we could potentially make from that with that trade is about a 10% trade. So that's double your money. And my stop loss would be obviously above the Keynesian. So very simple trade setups, and you guys have seen we've been pretty accurate so far on this channel, simply because we are patient, we trade long-term time frames, and we have a plan from the jump. Right, from the jump, from here, we was planning to see a pullback for support to actually go long, and because we was patient, we seen the structure breakdown, and now we're looking for shorts. So the game is pretty simple when you play a long-term game. And guys, if you are struggling for money right now, if you want to buy more crypto, then trading might not be the thing for you. It wasn't for me when I first got started. The reason is because I didn't have enough money to constantly trade and constantly invest. That's why I started businesses. And as you guys can see, I've given you all of the tips and tricks I've used in my businesses. And you can see people like Ryan closing his second client, James is closing clients, Mohammed put in a post in the chat the other day with Ryan, Ellie and Lewis, this is a different Ryan, closing clients in their first 6 weeks and starting their business. This will give you more cash flow to trade with. Imagine if you didn't have to worry if your trade went south. Imagine if you was making 15, 20 grand a month and you could invest 5, 10K into crypto. That will put you so much further ahead than if you was trying to trade $100 to $1,000 or $1,000 to $10,000, because you have a business, a cash flow machine which you can use. And I want to show you how to do it for free if you click the link in the description, guys. So thank you very much for tuning in. Remember, patience, stay calm, stay relaxed. We're still a few months away from BTC halving. So if you're watching this channel, you are in the right place and you are doing the right thing. Thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.